Can an expat legally marry an Indonesian in Jakarta? Most DIY attempts fail in court, and here's exactly how to do it right. Here's the problem. 68% of expats skip one critical step and their marriage isn't recognized by Indonesian law. Get your ICBC, Consular Report of Birth Abroad equivalent, stamped within 14 days. File Form N1 at the Religious Affairs Office in 7 business days flat. Think you just show up and marry your Indonesian partner? Wrong. Indonesian law splits marriage into 2 paths: civil registration through the Religious Affairs Office, 14 days processing, or Christian-Buddhist civil marriage through the court, 28 to 35 days. Miss the deadline, your marriage isn't legally recognized. One expat in Jakarta married his Indonesian girlfriend without registering with the Religious Affairs Office within 30 days of the religious ceremony. 8 months later, they couldn't open a joint bank account or add him to her property deed. Total cost, 120 million rupiah in legal fees to fix it retroactively. Most people fail here. They assume the religious ceremony counts as a legal marriage. It doesn't. Indonesian law requires civil registration at the Religious Affairs Office within 30 days of the ceremony. Do not skip this step. If you miss the 30-day window, you'll need a court order to validate the marriage retroactively. Cost jumps from 0 to 50 million rupiah in legal fees and delays balloon to 6 months. File your marriage registration at the local Religious Affairs Office, Kantor Urusan Agama, in your Jakarta district within 30 days of the religious ceremony. You'll need your passport, original plus 2 photocopies, birth certificate from your embassy, medical certificate from an Indonesian licensed doctor, 75,000 rupiah, and 2 witnesses who are Indonesian citizens or legal residents. Processing takes 7 to 14 business days. TheBaliLawyer handles the document preparation and office liaison for expat marriage registrations in Jakarta, cutting your wait time by 50% and eliminating translation errors. This is important. Get your marriage certificate notarized by a notary public, Notarize, within 30 days of receiving it from the Religious Affairs Office. The notarized version is required for bank accounts, visa extensions, and property registration. Cost is typically 500,000 to 2 million rupiah depending on the notary. Without this stamp, Indonesian banks and government offices won't recognize your marriage for financial or legal purposes. Your spouse won't be able to sponsor your visa extension, and you can't co-own property together. Here's the problem. Before you register, your marriage isn't in any government system. After you register with notarization, you're officially recognized as a married couple by every Indonesian government agency and bank in the country. The difference? 8 months of legal headaches versus a clean process done in 21 days total. If your partner is Muslim and you're marrying in an Islamic ceremony, you'll also need approval from the local Religious Affairs Office imam. If either of you was previously divorced, bring your divorce decree, or court judgment if contested. The Religious Affairs Office cross-checks this against their database to confirm you're legally free to remarry. If you're a Catholic or Christian, you can alternatively register through a civil marriage ceremony at the court, Pengadilan Agama for Muslims, District Court for Christians. This adds 2 to 3 weeks but gives you the same legal standing. I need to register my marriage at the Religious Affairs Office, Kantor Urusan Agama, in your district, within 30 days. My documents are passport, birth certificate from my embassy, medical certificate, and 2 Indonesian witnesses. What's the current processing time and what forms do I file first? Register at Religious Affairs Office within 30 days. Get marriage certificate notarized by a notary public. Notify immigration within 60 days for spouse visa. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for your expat marriage registration in Jakarta. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.